guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is chili bean soup. Both of my boys liked it, so I was so happy because with a lot of beans sometimes they kind of like, what? There's red kidney beans, there's navy beans, there's black beans, too many beans, but this time they really loved it, so I was so happy. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So we're gonna dice half of a small onion, thinly sliced 3 garlic, slice some celery stick, and also carrots, baby carrots, but I don't have baby carrots, so I'm gonna use my julienne carrots, and slice some hot dogs like so. First we're gonna saute the onion and garlic in 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, and we're gonna saute it until fragrant. Now add in your celery and carrot. And rinse red kidney beans and navy beans. Followed with sweet peas and corn. And also condensed tomato soup. And the Prego sauce. And mix it. Add water. Usually you can use broth, but I'm using water, and it should cover or halfway to the halfway of the pot. At least should cover the veggies and beans. Once it's boiling, we're gonna add in our hot dogs. Now that it's boiling, add in your hot dogs. Now add in some cumin and cayenne powder to flavor, and also a little white pepper. And your chili bean soup basically ready.